Hey guys, welcome to Talking Red Fox. Today I'm gonna show you Linzer Sweets. Let's get to it. Sift 300 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of icing sugar, mix in 200 grams of room temperature butter, add 2 egg yolks, some lemon skin, and make a dough. Rest the dough in fridge at least 12 hours, can be up to several days. Sprinkle some flour on your worktop and roll up the dough to your desired thickness. Use a cookie cutter and cut some shapes out. Always cut one with a hole in the middle to pair it with. Bake these in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, depending on thickness and size. However, you can tell after seeing the edges becoming pinky. Once cooled down, keep them in an airtight container. Then glue the Linzer Sweets together with your favorite marmalade. And that's it. Enjoy!